How to fix Microsoft Teams not showing all contacts. 1. Import your contacts again. 2. Disable scope directory search. 3. Clean the Teams cache at c/users/ your username /appdata /roaming /Microsoft /Teams. 4. Remove the Teams settings file. Hint, check % of data % /Microsoft /Teams or c:/users /username /appdata /roaming /Microsoft Teams. 5. Update Teams. Six. Repair or reset Teams app. 7. Reinstall Teams again.